So now we are given with this situation. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, rupees 8 will be charged, and for the subsequent distance, subsequent means after first kilometer, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the total distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation in two variables and draw its graph. So this situation, ultimately we are converting in these steps. The total fare will be rupees y, the total distance covered will be shown by x kilometers. The fare for the first kilometer will be rupees y, it is fixed, and the fare for subsequent distance, that is after first kilometer, any kilometers he goes or she goes, that will be rupees 5 per kilometer. So what we will try to make the equation total fare y. So here it is total fare y. Total fare y, it is equal to the first kilometer, what was the charge, rupees 8, plus what is the distance left. अगर बेटा x में से 1 किलोमीटर यहाँ रह गया तो आपका टोटल डिस्टेंस में से बचा x माइनस 1 सब्सिक्वेंट किलोमीटर्स. अगर ये टोटल 10 है तो 10 में से 1 यहाँ आएगा और 9 यहाँ आएगा 10 माइनस 1 करके. तो x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर्स का क्या चार्जेज हैं, क्या रेट है फॉर द सब्सिक्वेंट किलोमीटर्स और डिस्टेंस, इट इज रुपीज 5 पर किलोमीटर. So x minus 1 will be multiplied with this 5. So when we have simplified, we got this equation y is equal to 5x plus 3. So now we will put the value of x, that is distance. Suppose I have taken distance covered is, total distance covered is 2 kilometers. So the fare will be paid by me 5 into x value 2 plus 3. So total rupees I will pay 13. Similarly, if we assume the value of distance traveled is 4, so the fare will be paid by 5 into 4 plus 3, that is 23 rupees. And if we assume the distance covered total is 7 kilometers, so the fare paid will be rupees y is equal to 5 into 7 plus 3, that is rupees 38. Now the values which we have calculated, I have presented here in this table. X distance 2 kilometer, fare 13. So first of all, let us present this point on the graph. On this x-axis we have taken the distance in kilometer, and on this y-axis we have taken the fare in rupees. So when we will plot the point 2 and 13, it will be like this. This is point 2 x coordinate, and when we will move upside, here we find the value 2 and 13. The second solution, it is 4 and 23. So let us present it 4, this is 4 kilometers, and 23 means we will move upside, it is 20, and here you will get the value 23. So 4 kilometer distance traveled and 23 rupees fare paid. The last but not the least, 7 kilometer 38 rupees. So this distance is 7 kilometer, and when we will move straight up on the same line, we will got 38 rupees here, 7 and 38. So now with the help of scale, we will join these 3 points. This equation will represent the graph of total fare is equal to 5x plus 3. This will be the graphical presentation of linear equation in two variables.